So yeah, here's what it's looking like this morning. The water's already up about 5 feet, I'm guessing. And this is what I was working on this morning. So it's pretty intense. What I'm guessing is by the end of this, if you look right there, there's a line in the concrete piling. It's going to be 1 foot to 2 feet higher than that line. So we'll see how it goes. I just watched this tree fall. This was that tree that the one we cut down was wedged in between, and I think that weakened it. And it just went down in front of my face. It's a pretty big tree. Here's what the river looks like. To give you an idea where everything is. It's still not that high yet. So there's John's house up there, and that's the road going up the hill there. So there's no going in here. There's Bob's place. It's good. It's high enough, but this is the road, and there's no crossing on 19W at this point. Here's the bridge near the convenience store. So it's a little higher. Definitely taking a beating, and we've got 5 more hours of this. I was just told this flood is going to exceed the flood of 1916, which dwarfed the flood of 1977, the big one. This is already bigger than that one. And I'm getting full beating there on that end. Hope this doesn't come up and sweep my stuff away. Oh, shit. Well, I'm definitely going to lose my railings. Hopefully I don't lose the I-beams. I can rebuild everything else. The I-beams are going to be a bitch. Oh, the hornet's nest things are still up there. And the weeping willows, they're all down in there somewhere. Fuck. I think I'm gonna lose the bridge. Flexible. I'm going 5 feet higher than this bitch. Well, there's not much I can do about it, but the bridge is gone. I've got no way over there until we repair that, other than down through the mountain. Everything else looks fine. All the goats are fine. They've got, the river water's not going to go that high, but there is no way across. That sucks in a major way. So I'm safe and I'm at the fire station. We're going to wait it out here.